Hey guys, really excited about this video because I want to show you something really cool that I built, and that is the AI content generator. This will allow you to generate content for your business, whether that's for a social media post, a tweet, maybe a blog outline, or you even want to generate images directly on the spot inside the chatbot to be used in any of your projects. You can do that directly with this AI content generator. So how does it work? I will link the page down in the video description, but basically what you can do, you can grab your free account. You will get 10 credits when creating that free account and you can test it out, right? So if I'm going to do that right now, I will get towards the process of creating my account. So let's do that right now. Okay, so let's get creative and let's go and say claim free credits. Okay, so let's go with the first name. And then we get the last name. And last but not least, we will also get the email question. So let's say, let's go with this email. There we go. Perfect. Account is created, free credits have been awarded. And let's say, let's create. So now you will basically get inside of the main menu. And we can get the choice between generating text, generating images, buying credits, or check the wallet. So if we just go towards check the wallet, you will see that I currently have 10 free credits. As you can see, we can either say buy some credits, we can generate text or generate images. So let's say generate text. And from here, you will see we'll have 10 remaining credits. Credits for generated content is 1. So let's say I'm ready. And let's say create a tweet about the advantage of implementing AI into your business. And let's see what kind of tweet that we get back, right? So here we go. Great, sounds like fun getting to work for you right now. And within just a few seconds, as you can see here, we already have a tweet generated. So we'll get an overview of the topic, right? So this is the topic that we just mentioned above. And here you will have the tweet: unlock limitless potential for your business by harnessing the power of AI from automating routine tasks to gain valuable insights. AI is a game changer. Don't get left behind. Hashtag AI, hashtag business growth. Really, really cool. Really, really easy to use as well. Let's say we're going to do it one more time. Okay. And now let's say I need a blog outline about 5 tips for a successful marketing campaign. So let's take a look and let's see what the AI content generator comes up with. And again, this just takes just a few seconds and then we will get directly the content inside of this chat conversation. So really, really cool and really, really useful because this allows you to basically generate your ideas directly on the spot, right? So as you can see, already created. And here we have the introduction, so the explanation of what a successful marketing campaign is, brief overview of the 5 tips to be discussed, define your target audience, importance of understanding your audience, and as you can see, set clear goals and objectives, develop a strong message, use a mix of marketing channels, monitor and adjust as needed, and then the conclusion, recap of the 5 tips and final thoughts. How cool is this that you can just generate this within seconds instead of needing to spend hours and hours trying to come up with this kind of blog outline? Now, of course, this is not perfect. You can always adjust it towards your own liking, towards your own branding. And the same is with all the tweets, of course, and all the other generated content. The whole purpose of this is that you can speed up your content creation tremendously, right? So let's take a look how it looks like with create images. So let's go towards the images. As you can see, I still have 8 credits remaining and the cost per image are 2 credits. In order for me to create a better image for you, keep in mind the following. So these are just some guidelines for the model that I'm currently using. Let's say paint a masterpiece. And then we will get the question, how many variations of this image would you like? So let's call it just 2 different kinds of images. Okay, 2 variations. And now we can describe what we would like to see, right? So let's go with something like this. A Japanese village covered in cherry blossom with beautiful trees and a river with slow running water. Just something out of the top of my head. Don't know how I came up with it, but let's see. Okay, give me a few seconds to generate the 2 images for you. And also this will be generated within just a few seconds. As you can see, it's already created. How cool is this, right? And you can see 2 different kinds of images. This one also has that running river like the other one, but you will also see that the image itself is, the second image at least, is a little bit more with a sunset in the background. You can say more details, and once you say more details, you will see a more clearer picture, and then you can say save images to save it towards your computer directly to be used in any kind of project that you like to. And you see how easy it is to create content, right? So whether it's just text content or image content, I designed it so it will really speed up your content creation process. So do give it a try. Again, nothing to lose, everything to gain. You get 10 free credits to try it out. If you want more, you can always try it out and buy some extra credits, but it's totally not needed. For now, I hope you enjoyed this chatbot AI content generator. And if you have any feedback for me, do drop it down in the video comment section below. And I will try to optimize it to give the best possible smooth experience for you and everyone else. For now, I hope you have a productive week ahead. Take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you really, really soon.